The Oculus Rift is finally welcome at Viveport, the HTC VR store. When it was released in 2016, Viveport seemed a bit redundant, since it was not difficult for Vive owners to find virtual reality experiences on Steam. But it became a big business last year with the addition of a subscription plan, which allows you to get 5 virtual reality titles for a low fee. Originally was $6.99, now it's $8.99. For most players, that's a smarter option than blind buying games. As of September 4th, the owners of Oculus Rift will also be able to participate in everything that Viveport has to offer, including the subscription. You can easily see which titles are compatible with Live and Rift, thanks to small icons in each list. Owners of Oculus can also filter all titles that will not work with their headphones. The fact that the games are compatible through the headphones is not something new. Oculus originally tried to prohibit the owners of Vive from playing their exclusive titles, but quickly left the draconian DRM. And Rift owners can play many titles intended for Live through Steam.